recording. Johnny, say something when you're recording. Why don't you say, this is my son who's doing the shoveling?
Okay, there goes my son, who's at this point he's plowing the snow with a slow plower. It's a snow blower, electric. We got approximately about 4 to 5 inches so far of snow.
Go below the archway. Go slow. Go below the archway. Mira a ver si se puede ver los carros de Elizabeth, el crossing, and then John Richard. So you have to bend down. Below the archway, you would have to bend down. And then say, there's our cars, John Richards and Elizabeth have to be plowed.
There's our Elizabeth's car. And John Rich's car on the right-hand side, blocked by the archway. And this is February the 3rd, snow blizzard.
And another one is coming on Wednesday.
And we're expecting another snowstorm coming in right after this one. And on Wednesday, another one.